Welcome guys to my channel again. This is Devi, and in this video I'm going to make it as brief as possible. We have good news. Ether chain has been verified. It has been verified. I repeat it. It is now a verified smart contract, and we are good to go. I'm telling you guys, this is going to blow up. It is going to blow up. So we also have some other new features. They added some new languages in the system. If I click on system language here, you will see all these languages which are displayed. So that is one of them. And then another thing, they also added some, let me show you guys here. As you can see, the smart contract, it is so healthy. It has got over 8,000 ETH in the deposited there, and we have over 2,900 ETH withdrawn by the members, and we have over 200 ETH in the daily pool. This is one of my accounts, guys. I have now 3 accounts. It is new, and we also added the Telegram bot. Now this Telegram bot is going to be able to notify us on everything that is happening in our account, from depositing fund, withdrawing funds, referral commission, matching bonuses, and anything that is going to happen in your account. So that is the new features. We also have the support here at the bottom of the page, as you can see it. And then another thing, let us check for the verification of this contract on Etherscan. So if I click on the smart contract address, it will take me to Etherscan, where we can be able to check it out. It is loading, guys. Be patient. It is loading. I don't know why it is slow. We have distortion in the internet connection here. But as you can see, the contract overview, it has got over 8,000 ETH deposited there. So if I'm to click on the contract here, you can see, guys, smart contract code verified. It is the exact match. So we are verified. You guys go on and promote Ether chain. I'm telling you, this is going to blow up your Ether wallets. Just go and promote, as I'm going to do it also. So that's it for this video, guys. Ether chain is a fully verified contract. We are going to earn so much ETH from this, guys. See you in another video.